If you think you know what the 2026 housing market is going to look like, you might be in for a shock, because for the first time in years, it seems that Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com are predicting completely different outcomes. And depending on who's right, Prescott area buyers and sellers could either save thousands or lose more than they realize. So let's take a look. Zillow says one thing, Redfin says the opposite, and Realtor.com is warning about something entirely different. And here's what's scary. Only one version of the future can be right. And if you're planning to buy, sell, invest, or relocate in 2026, choosing the wrong one could cost you big.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Lisa.
And we help buyers, sellers, and relocation families make smart, confident moves in Northern Arizona. And the 2026 market is shaping up to be one of the most confusing and unpredictable years we've seen since 2020. So let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. Okay, let's start with Zillow. Zillow's 2026 outlook shows slight home price appreciation around 1 to 2.5%, continued inventory shortages, and higher than normal buyer demand in relocation markets.
So in plain English, Zillow thinks 2026 will feel like 2024 and 2025, a somewhat tight supply, steady demand, and small, slow price growth. Zillow is essentially warning, if you're waiting for a price drop, don't, because they don't see it happening. And here's a twist for Prescott. The Prescott area thrives on out-of-area or out-of-state migration and lifestyle moves, and this could translate to even stronger price stability. So according to Zillow, buyers should wait and sellers might still have leverage.
Redfin's view is that 2026 is the year the market finally normalizes after years of chaos. But here's the catch. Redfin isn't shouting loudly enough. If rates do drop, even just to around 6%, tons of buyers will re-enter the market at the same time. And that could instantly erase any price relief Redfin is promising. And the Prescott twist, we already have heavy relocation demand. Imagine what happens when frustrated Phoenix, California, and Washington buyers jump back into the market the moment rates dip. You get competition, not relief.
And now comes the wild card. Realtor.com's 2026 projection is the boldest of the three. They predict prices will rise more noticeably than Zillow or Redfin expect. Inventory will go up, but not enough to satisfy demand. Mortgage rates will settle into the 5.75% to 6.25% range, and affordability will remain a major challenge. Realtor.com's view is that 2026 becomes the year buyers finally return in force. But with limited inventory, prices climb again. If Realtor.com is right, buyers who wait may pay significantly more. If they're wrong, sellers pricing like it's 2021 could get badly burned. Here's the Prescott twist. Higher demand relocation markets like Prescott often follow Realtor.com's pattern more than Redfin or Zillow. So this prediction is one that Prescott buyers and sellers should pay close attention to.
So why are Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com not even close to agreeing? Because each one weighs the data differently. Zillow is heavily influenced by homeowner behavior and inventory projections. Redfin is more focused on buyer activity, interest rates, and agent tracking. Realtor.com focuses on long-term household information and economic trends. The truth is, nobody knows which prediction will be right. And that's exactly why buyers and sellers need a strategy, not wishful thinking.
So what does this mean for Prescott buyers in 2026? 2026 may not be cheaper. Rates will likely improve, but not dramatically. Competition may return and inventory will improve, but stay limited. So your monthly payment might not drop even if rates do. Here's an example for Prescott, and we'll use this for reference. In October, the sales price for homes in Prescott averaged out to be $717,000. In November, the sales price averaged out to be about $769,000. That's a 7.32% price increase in 1 month. So what if rates drop 1% but prices rise 5%? Your payment goes up, not down.
So what does this mean for Prescott sellers in 2026? It could be the best opportunity since 2021 or a major disappointment depending on how you price. Zillow says low inventory keeps prices stable. Redfin says increased supply levels the playing field. And Realtor.com says buyers flood back, but affordability is still tight. Prescott sellers who price correctly and prep their home well will win big. Those who overprice, they'll sit, stall, and eventually chase the market down.
If you're feeling uncertain about what 2026 means for you, you're not alone. If you want clear, personalized guidance for your situation, reach out to us anytime at 928-925-9802 or use the links in the description. We'd be honored to help you plan your next move confidently as we head into one of the most unpredictable markets we've seen in years. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.